Hello kids, let's draw some shapes. This is a black color. Which color is black color?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Semicircle.
How I wonder what you are.
Heart.
Above the world so high, like a dove
Right triangle.
in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle,
Circle.
little star, how I wonder what you
Rectangle.
when the
Hexagon.
blazing sun is
Let's learn some colors.
need nothing shines up
Red color, light green color, sea green color, orange color, brown color, yellow color, baby pink color, blue color, sea green color, purple color, dark green color, pink color. Let's color in semicircle.
Twinkle, twinkle, little
Let's color in heart.
how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond.
Let's color in right triangle.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder
Let's color in circle. Let's color in rectangle.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Let's color in hexagon.
Above the world so high,
Blue color semicircle. Dark green color heart. Yellow color right triangle. Pink color circle. Sky blue color rectangle. Red color hexagon. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.